welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Melanie and I am here to unbox the October 2023 Beauty Heroes box. As you can see, I am very casual right now. I got my hair in my bun and my hair in a bun and no makeup, but what can you do? That's just the reality right now, but I'm excited because it's October 2nd. My box came and I'm excited to open it. I am having another pumpkin beer. Different kind. This one's Shoveltown Brewery, which is a Massachusetts brewery. And it's pretty good, actually. Okay, so when I signed on to, I haven't seen any spoilers, however, I signed on to YouTube, and this woman that I like to follow, she used to do like Beauty Heroes videos regularly, and she hasn't for a really long time, and I noticed she did one, so I was like, oh, I wonder if it's like a certain brand that she really loves, and that's why she did a video right at the start of the month. So my guess is gonna be Nini Organics is the brand, because I know she's a huge fan of them, so I'm like, maybe that's why she did a video. And I've been guessing that they're gonna be in a box at some point, but we'll see. So let's just open it together. This is, as you know, just like the best part is getting to see what brands it is and what products are. Okay, I was wrong. It's not Nini Organics, it's Blissoma. All right, we have Beauty Heroes and Blissoma. Okay, have I gotten Blissoma before? I have. Okay, I got Blissoma before. It was the clay, oh, maybe they never featured Blissoma as the main brand. I've used, sorry, my cats are playing like right over there with like jingly things and stuff. I've used a mask of theirs, and did I love it? No, I didn't love that clay mask. I think it was the clay renewal mask. So let's see what this one is. Whoa, there's 3 products. All right. How fun. Okay, cool. Here we go. I'm excited. I just briefly looked at the products and I was like, ooh. Okay, so we have 3 products here. Okay, this is exciting, actually. I'm excited. One of them's a cleanser, which is fun because I do love a good face cleanser. Even though I'm project panning right now and trying so hard to finish 3 face cleansers this month. So check this out. Yes, a box of 3 products. Okay, so it says we have the Fresh Mild Rice Facial Cleanser, fun. The Lavish Loving Recovery Mask, which is not the mask I had before. And the Peace Evening Calming Elixir. This is cool. Okay. Says this month we introduced 3 stars that each deserve the spotlight, but can, sorry, my cats are going crazy, but can play supporting roles just as well. In Lord's name, you have to like put the camera down there. Look at the cats. They're getting crazy over there. Anyways, and the mess, kid stuff. Okay, this month we introduced 3 stars that each deserve the spotlight, but can play supporting roles just as well. Fresh Mild Rice Facial Cleanser hydrates, cools, and cleanses without detergents or soaps. Lavish Loving Recovery Mask penetrates, hydrates, and calms without irritation. And the Peace Evening Calming Elixir nourishes, moisturizes, and regulates without weighing skin down. All right, usage instructions for Blissoma and life. Experience intuitively, adapt dynamically, repeat daily. I'm excited. Okay, let's start with the facial cleanser. That's what the box looks like. It has some pretty little drawings on it, and it's kind of fun. Okay, so this is 4 ounces, and it's a value of $58, and the superpower ingredients are marshmallow, chickweed, plantain, brown rice, willow bark, and Mei Chang. There's cats. All right, I was trying to see if I had to unlock it. Let's see. I don't have a baby wipe with me, but I easily get one. Interesting smell. That's what the, oh, I like the smell. It smells good. Yum. Okay. Perhaps the most underrated and misunderstood step in skincare, cleansing, isn't just about removal. A great cleanser replenishes too. Fresh Mild Rice Facial Cleanser is formulated with an intelligent blend of plant ingredients that cleanse without stripping and replenish without residue. Marshmallow leads this formula with its hydrating, cooling, and calming properties and jelly-like texture. It's balanced with non-detergent blend of rice, glycerin, and willow bark that band together to disband debris. The rice fibers soak up dirt, while glycerin, acting as an emulsifying agent, binds to oils, effortlessly picking up material and moving it away. Enriched with stimulating chickweed and soothing plantain, this cleanser simultaneously boosts circulation while calming redness and irritation. The subtle slip left on the skin is not residue, but a testament to the deep, lingering moisture this formula imparts. The subtle scent of Mei Chang, lavender, palmarosa, elemi, and vetiver is a testament to the beautiful complexity of plants. It just smells like a spa. It's the best way I can describe it. I like it. I think this is going to be wonderful. I don't think they said anything about it being exfoliating. When I heard a rice cleanser, I don't know why, but my brain went to like a little bit of a grit, but I don't think there is any. So my first assumption in my mind was incorrect. All right, let's talk about the mask. I'm pretty sure that Mercedes from L'Amour et la Musique loves this lavish, loving recovery mask. I think she talked about loving it during her postpartum times. Sorry about the cats. They're just having a good old time down there. Okay. And they don't care that I'm filming. Nope. Okay, this is 2 ounces, $69 value. Superpower ingredients are oat beta-glucans, astragalus, plantain, self-heal, seaweed, maitake mushroom, reishi mushroom, and kupaku seed butter. Okay, so it says the right blend of plants are proof that a formula doesn't need to be irritating to be active. This mask strikes the difficult balance of soothing and revitalizing with an intricate mix of beta-glucans, adaptogens, and seaweed. The beta-glucans from oat and maitake and reishi mushrooms penetrate deeply to deliver modulating support to hyperactive skin, bringing a sense of balance. Astragalus, I can never say it, has an adaptogenic quality that helps regulate reactive skin, bringing homeostasis. Seaweed, rich in trace minerals and vitamins, kupaku seed butter, rich in omega-3s, 6 and 9, 3, 6, and 9, to replenish skin of essential nutrients while helping course correct imbalances that appear on the skin. Coupled with soothing plantains and multifaceted self-heal herb, this mask curbs redness and irritation while accelerating renewal. Okay. Ooh. That's what that looks like. I'm curious about the texture. Let's see. Seems very creamy. Very subtle. Seems like a very it almost just seems like a moisturizer. Let's see. Directions: wash skin with mild cleanser before applying. Apply a consistent layer of mask to face and neck or to troubled spots as needed. Wait 15 to 20 minutes. Remove with warm water and gently pat dry. Tone and moisturize. Extremely dry skin can use daily. It seems almost unscented, or like a really natural, almost like oatmeal scent or something. I don't know. Interesting. I'm kind of intrigued by this mask. It's like, seems like just sort of like a moisturizer, but it's definitely curious about that. It'll be fun to check that out. I love masks. I love getting masks in boxes, so sign me up. Time for a sip. Okay. Peace Evening Calming Elixir. Not really sure what this is all about, so let's check it out. We have some of the same, okay, so this is their, artwork with like a goat or ram, I guess. Whatever that is. Peace Evening Elixir, Calming Elixir. 1.3 ounces, $50 value. Superpower ingredients are seaweed, plantain, comfrey, acai oil, shea butter, pumpkin seed oil, and hemp. Plantain is mentioned in all 3 of these products, which I think is interesting because I don't know if I've seen plantain before as an ingredient. Okay, This is what the product looks like. What dry, thirsty skin craves is not heavy creams, but breathable moisture. In fact, density can interfere with absorption, leaving skin looking moisturized on top, but malnourished underneath. Peace Evening Calming Elixir combines vital minerals, essential fatty acids, balancing herbs, and bioadaptable butters and oils to deliver a lightweight solution that feeds skin with the nourishment it requires, restoring its inherent ability to self-regulate. A potent blend of nori and dulce seaweeds deliver necessary salts, minerals, and hydration to support skin function. A combination of plantain and comfrey offer comfort, while acai oil, shea butter, and freshly pressed organic pumpkin seed oil offer a nourishing lipid layer that helps soothe skin while sealing in moisture. Hemp seed oil, rich in omegas 3, 6, and 9, brings balance and an emerald green tint. Skin is fed without feeling full, hydrated without Skin is fed without feeling full, hydrated without feeling heavy. So I'm like, is this an oil? Okay, I'm gonna put it there. Not. Okay, so now I know you gotta twist it. Ooh. Well, yes, it did say emerald green, right? Ooh, yum. Oh my gosh, like another beautiful like spa scent. I'm really liking the scent of the cleanser and this. I like it a lot. It doesn't say what it says the ingredients, of course. I just don't know what makes the scent, but I like it. It speaks to me. Interesting. Oh my gosh, I'm really excited about this box. Like, I love a good cleanser. I love a great moisturizer. I love a mask. Well, what do I not love in skincare? But still, this is very cool. I'm super excited about this box. It looks awesome. It seems to have a nice value of, let's see, like 108 plus 69. So 108 plus about 70. So I think 108 plus 70, 178 minus 1, $177 value, I think. Nice value. And then we have the one way to play, and it says you can use some of the products we've been getting. So like the Yena, I finished that already. Then we have the Blissoma products and the succulent pudding. Okay, so I was like thinking a succulent pudding is a moisturizer, but they're saying basically cleanse with the cleanser we got here, then do the mask, then use the essential mist, so like a essence or something. Hydrate with the calming elixir from here, and then do a little bit more moisturizing with the succulent pudding. So actually, I did my skincare earlier today and after my shower, and I did up until my, what do you call it? My serum, but I haven't done my moisturizer. So how about I just put some of this on there? Why not? I like the smell. Definitely they have like they've nailed it on 2 of the scents I feel so far. So cool. This is a nice moisturizer. Very curious to play with it and stuff. All right, that's it. Please let me know what you think of this box. I am very excited about it. Yeah, like I said, I've used one Blissoma product, and it was from, I think, Beauty Heroes anniversary, not last month in September. Ooh, this is like cooling a little bit. This is nice. But like, so a year ago when they had their, like, I think there was 5 different products. One of them was a Blissoma mask. So that's when I used my one Blissoma product I've ever tried. So let's chat in the comments below. Please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, found it helpful. Click the subscribe button to be alerted for when the next video comes out. And hopefully we will talk soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.